Growing pineapple in a family planting system is an excellent way to ensure fresh, healthy fruit for your household. It is a hardy crop, well adapted to warm climates, and when managed correctly from soil preparation to harvest, it can provide a steady supply of fruit for family consumption throughout the year. The first essential factor to understand is climate. Pineapple grows best in temperatures between 22 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Celsius, 72 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. It thrives in warmth, strong sunlight, and good air circulation. In tropical and subtropical regions, planting can be done almost year-round, but the ideal time is at the beginning of the rainy season, typically in spring or early summer. The natural soil moisture during this period helps the plant establish strong roots. In areas with colder winters or risk of frost, planting should be done after the cold season has passed to prevent stress on young plants. Location is critical. Pineapple requires full sun, receiving at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Shaded areas reduce plant vigor and fruit size. The planting site must also have good drainage. Pineapple does not tolerate waterlogged soil, and excess moisture can lead to root rot. The ideal soil is light, well-drained, and rich in organic matter. Sandy or sandy loam soils perform very well. The preferred soil pH ranges from 4.5 to 6.5, slightly acidic. Before planting, clear the area of weeds, roots, and debris. Loosen the soil to a depth of about 20 to 30 centimeters, 8 to 12 inches, to improve aeration and root development. Organic fertilization plays an important role in family cultivation. Well-composted manure, compost, or worm castings can be incorporated into the soil during preparation. Organic matter improves soil structure, supports balanced moisture retention, and supplies essential nutrients for healthy growth. If the soil is heavy or retains too much water, raised beds are recommended to improve drainage. Choosing healthy planting material is equally important. Pineapple can be propagated using the fruit crown, side shoots, or suckers growing at the base of the plant. For family growing, the crown is the most practical method. After removing the crown from the fruit, clean off excess pulp and allow the base to dry in the shade for 1 or 2 days. This drying period allows the cut area to heal and reduces the risk of rot after planting. When planting, dig a small hole and insert only the base of the crown into the soil, keeping the leaves above ground. Recommended spacing is 30 to 40 centimeters, 12 to 16 inches, between plants and 80 to 100 centimeters, 32 to 40 inches between rows. Proper spacing improves air circulation and makes maintenance easier. The first months after planting are crucial. The soil should be kept slightly moist but never waterlogged. Pineapple is drought tolerant because it stores water in its leaves, but steady moderate moisture promotes better early growth. During prolonged dry periods, irrigation should be controlled and consistent. Maintenance includes regular weeding to reduce competition for nutrients. Applying mulch, such as dry straw or plant residue, around the base of the plants helps conserve soil moisture, suppress weeds, and protect the soil structure. Top dressing with organic fertilizer every 2 to 3 months supports continued growth. Nitrogen encourages leaf development, while potassium contributes to fruit formation and quality. In family production, balance is more important than excess. A well-nourished plant develops stronger natural resistance. Throughout the growth period, monitor for pests such as mealybugs or mites. Regular inspection allows early intervention. In family systems, natural solutions and manual removal are often sufficient when problems are detected early. Pineapple growth is gradual and requires patience. During the first several months, the plant focuses on leaf formation and root strengthening. Growth accelerates during summer due to higher temperatures and longer daylight hours. In cooler winter conditions, especially in temperate regions, development may slow, but the plant remains alive and stable. Flowering typically occurs 10 to 14 months after planting, depending on climate and care. The flower emerges from the center of the plant, and fruit formation begins afterward. From flowering to full maturity usually takes an additional 4 to 6 months. During fruit development, balanced care remains essential. Avoid extreme drought or overwatering. The fruit gradually changes from deep green to yellow as it matures. The ideal harvest time is when the fruit begins turning yellow from the base upward and produces a sweet, characteristic aroma. Harvesting should be done manually using a sharp tool to cut the stem carefully. After harvesting the main fruit, the plant may produce side shoots or suckers. These can be used as new planting material, allowing the family to continue production without purchasing additional plants. For household production, staggered planting at different times of the year can help extend the harvest season. This approach ensures fresh pineapple availability over a longer period. Beyond eating fresh, pineapple can be incorporated into daily family meals in juices, desserts, preserves, and homemade preparations, making full use of the harvest. Growing pineapple for family consumption strengthens food independence, makes productive use of available land, and supports a healthier diet. With proper planning, respect for seasonal conditions, and consistent care, it is possible to follow the entire cycle, from soil preparation to harvest, with reliable and rewarding results.